Ever wondered what's the difference between a CNC router and a CNC milling machine? Both are precision tools used to cut, shape, and create, but they're designed for very different jobs. A CNC router is built for high-speed cutting of lighter materials like wood, plastic, acrylic, and aluminum sheets. It's perfect for larger surface areas and detailed engraving, commonly used in furniture, signage, and design fabrication. Routers focus on speed and smooth surface finishes, making them ideal for creative and production work. A CNC milling machine, 3-axis, is made for heavier, more rigid materials such as steel, iron, and brass. It offers precise control on the X, Y, and Z axis, allowing accurate shaping, drilling, and contouring. Milling machines are slower but deliver high precision and strength for mechanical parts and molds. CNC routers are fast and flexible for light materials, while CNC milling machines are strong and precise for heavy-duty machining. Each plays a vital role, depending on your project's material and accuracy needs.